I got these birds and I'm gonna dissect them one by one. You can see it's a really beautiful one. Like, just look at it. It's absolutely magnificent, okay? So I just got this gear. I know it doesn't match with the aesthetics, but oh well. We just gotta cut the thing, alright? So yeah, here it is. The bird. Yeah. So with honor, we're gonna be slandering this bird tomorrow. I can't wait to do that. So yeah, let's get this going, man. So since it was getting dark, we're gonna do this tomorrow. Yeah, the tomorrow does happen in this video.
Bruh.
So this is where things do get a bit messy, and first we're gonna take the wings off of this bird, and it is a bit sad, but yeah, here it is. Satisfying to hear, isn't it? So the purpose is just taking their wings off, and then we're gonna take their legs off, you know, basically the claws they have down there. So the knife I have is pretty sharp. It does the job well, so I'm not really having much difficulty, but I'm still having the need of multiple tools because sometimes the vein gets in the way, sometimes the marrow is too thick, so it does get a bit challenging sometimes. Although with the help of these tools I have, it doesn't get really hard. So apart from that, I just have to cut their beaks after their legs and then their tails, and that's basically pretty much all I need to make their frames for like bird frames. I make bird frames out of these and I'll show you how. This part does get a bit gruesome because, yeah, you know what. You just have a look over there. I'm just gonna do this to both of the birds because I need their beautiful beaks. Yeah, that's how it sounds like. So now we just got these beaks, both of the beaks, or maybe one of the beak. Yeah, I forgot I still have to do one more beak. So after this bird, let's go on to the other one. Boy, they do look scary now, just like owls though. Before that, let's just finish off this bird. Let's just yeah, cut the tail off. Apart from that, this bird is absolutely done and it's absolutely useless to me now. I'm just going to throw this away. Now on to the second bird. Just look at this buddy resting over there. It does get kind of sad doing this, but you know, we have to do a few things in life. And yeah, these are a few things I have to do because I want to have a beautiful bird frame. And since it's dead anyways, yeah, let's just make the most of it. There you go. A really painful thing to see, but yeah, the beak is off a little bit. We're done with the birds now, and now look at what we have here. Such a magnificent wing. Look how beautiful of a frame that can make. I can't wait to turn this into a beautiful frame, so this is just absolutely marvelous. Just have a look at it. So now here it is, the final project. Just a little bit thing you see here, I've attached an LED light behind it, so when I turn it on, it gives this red glow. I think it looks pretty nice, and once you turn the lights off, it looks even better. Have a look. How good is that? I have my PC setup below here, and it just gives my room some nice ambient light. So I really like this. And yeah, that's it. You can subscribe if you want. Also, if you want this frame, just DM me on Instagram. Here's my Insta.